Hello YouTube, Eric DIY with another great camping product review for you. Today we're going to review the Forbidden Road Cold Weather Sleeping Bag. First thing to understand about the Forbidden Road Cold Weather Sleeping Bag is that it is rated down to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Zach and I actually used these Forbidden Road sleeping bags during our last camping outing. I'm glad to say that this definitely held up to the weather. We were camping in 47-degree weather overnight, and I actually had a warm sleeping bag, and I had to change at about 4 a.m. in the morning because it was just that cold. This one, Zach was sleeping in it and he had no problems. He was warm all night. This one worked flawlessly. Now I might be a little bit biased because my favorite color is blue, but I think that this is a very attractive sleeping bag. It has a silky type material to it, and it also has Velcro to keep the zipper up once you're zippered in. And on the inside it has that same type of material. It's filled with polyester, and again, enough so that you can withstand 32-degree Fahrenheit temperatures. Zach, I asked him throughout the night and even in the morning, I'll say, hey, you know, are you comfortable, are you warm? And he had no problems. He slept in this all night. Now it did get a little soiled during that time, but I'm happy to report that you can wash this in the washer. They just don't like having the agitator there, but I did wash it before doing this review and it came out great. I just air dried it and it dried really fast too. It shows you that if this gets wet at all, even soaked in a washer, it dries really fast. It has a high-grade zipper, very easy to unzipper the bag. It's also very easy to get into it, and it unzippers to a full-out camping blanket, if you will, just like all the other sleeping bags. So if you need a little extra comfort, you're a little too cold, you can put this right on top of your other sleeping bags or whoever else and share it and be warm enough while you're in your tent. You'll also see that it has a zipper, so that if you bought two of these, you could actually zipper them together and have two people sleep in one big sleeping bag. So that is an excellent feature to have. Putting away the Forbidden Road Cold Weather Sleeping Bag, it has this excellent compression sack, and it even has compression straps on it. And we're gonna roll this up. What we'll do is we'll fold it in half. Try to pat it down to get a little air out of it. And then we'll roll it as tight as possible. And then put it in the compression sack. What you have in the compression sack, you gotta take the compression straps, make sure they go in the right way. And take them down. Make it even more compressed. Backpack or Forbidden Road Cold Weather Sleeping Bag is an excellent bargain. It definitely held its own in cold weather, as we had when we camped the other night. And if you'd like to purchase your Forbidden Road Cold Weather Sleeping Bag, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon when you purchase your very own. Also be supporting the Eric DIY channel at the same time. We appreciate all your support. Just want to say, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. Thank you and have a great day. Happy camping. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.